Presenting Popsugar Remote Control Car. The available colors are red, yellow, black, blue, grey and white. It is suitable for children aged 3 to 15 years. The RC car is built in the scale of 1:24 and weighs 300 grams. The radio-controlled functions such as forward, reverse, left, right and stop are easy to use. Additionally, the car also comes with working headlights and classy alloys. The car is equipped with a high-powered motor that provides fast pickup and quick response. Furthermore, the spring suspension system and high-quality internal gears contributes for a smooth driving experience. The car is manufactured using ABS plastic with metallic finish. It comes loaded with a lithium-ion battery that lasts for about 75 minutes on full charge. The box includes a car, remote, lithium battery and a charging cable. The product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.